The output on the blue line is up 3%.
Good, let's maintain that speed.
Let's check the caliper reading on this one.
It's within the optimal range. We should tag it.
That's the last one. All right, let's tie it down securely.
Careful on the left side, bring it down slowly. Okay, placing the next one now. How many bales are left on the truck? About 10 more, keep going.
Feed rate is stable at 200 stems per minute.
Acknowledged. Output looks good.
The water flow seems stable now. Yes, and the fibers are looking much cleaner. We should check the pH levels next.
The consistency is looking good, right within the sustainable parameters. Yes, the tensile strength seems optimized now.
The flow rate on the third rinse tank seems a bit high.
I'll adjust the pressure valves immediately.
The color absorption on batch 7B is stable. Good, the earthy tone is consistent.
The color grading is consistent across the length. Yes, and the weave holds up well. No imperfections here.
We need to be careful with the banana fiber on this curve. Does this align?
It's perfect. The tension looks good.
Stitching looks good here. Seams are strong. The texture is perfect. We can approve this batch.
Inka tinam store ke liye tura konigar hantomane.